Alright, so hopefully we can get the turtle upgraded enough to defeat the Joker. So what we're doing today is we're going to be doing another coin edge bezel install. These are from loomed ceramic bezel inserts. I also have one of their sapphire bezel inserts. This also has that blue and black Batman look. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to start off just by taping up the watch. So the last time I saw one of these removed, they looked like they were prying from the 6 o'clock position. So I'm going to tape up the lugs down at the bottom of the watch and try prying from there. Now to get this bad boy off, I've heard that it's a bit of a struggle sometimes with the turtle, so I'm going to try to do it on camera. If not, I might have to pull it off camera and give it a go then. So I have a couple of different tools to do this with. These are just really cheap Amazon tools. I think what I'm going to do is try this bigger one here first. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Get the tape off. And is our bezel spring still in place? Yes, it is. Okay, so next up is to install the new bezel. Okay, so last time I was able to get this on by hand, but the SKX bezel popped off a lot easier than this, so I'm not sure if this is going to go quite as easy. Oh, did it? Oh, popped on really easy that time, actually. One nice thing with this particular one is I did luck out with the alignment of the chaptering. Even the bezel was pretty well perfectly aligned. But so next step is going to be to put the adhesive on the insert, and I will definitely be doing that off camera. It's a little bit tricky. Alright, so we've got the adhesive installed. I said that it's tricky. It's really not that bad, but it is not easy through this small viewfinder on my camera. So I'm going to use my Bergeon tool to peel away the paper. And I'll try to do this one on camera. Now that I kind of know what I'm doing, if the alignment isn't perfect, then I can fix it later. But I'll do my best to get it aligned here. Okay. Yep. Looking good. Hey, got the alignment actually pretty good this time. Let me get the bracelet back on and give you guys a quick wrist shot. And there it is, and it is looking really good. That coin edge bezel is such a nice upgrade, and I just love the glossy look of the sapphire insert. So loom, we will take a look at the loom here in a minute, but first, let's get back to the battle.